Many people want to reduce the fat on their thighs. To do this, a mix of lifestyle adjustments that support weight loss and leg toning workouts may be used. Each person has some thigh fat, but the exact amount varies from one individual to another. You may not be able to reduce thigh fat immediately, but you can begin to tone it. Maintaining an active lifestyle through regular exercise and a nutritious diet can help tone and strengthen thighs and calves while also reducing overall body fat. The best result can be obtained by combining the several thigh burning methods for slimming and strengthening the legs. In this video, we are going to show very effective thigh burning exercise that will help you to get rid of stubborn thigh fats. Let's get started. Number 1. Leg raises. One of the best exercises to burn thigh fat is leg raising. It helps you lose fat from your lower body very easily. For that, all you will need to do is lie down on the floor with your back to the ceiling. Relax with your palms on the sides facing the floor. From the ground, raise both legs at a 30-degree angle. Hold for approximately 5 seconds. Slowly lower the legs to the floor. Repeat this process for 10 times. Isn't it easy? You can even do this while sleeping in your bed. Second, leg stretch. Leg stretch can be done to decrease thigh fat. Moreover, this stretching exercise improves blood circulation. Sit up straight with your legs connected and stretched out. Slowly spread your legs as wide apart as you can. Breathe in as you bend right to touch the toes of your right foot with both hands. The goal is to get your head to touch the knees. Hold this state for 5 seconds. Slowly raise your head and bring your hands to each side of your pelvis. Breathe out while doing so. Do the same on the left side. Repeat it 10 times. 3. Air cycling. An efficient approach to getting slimmer thighs and lowering thigh fat. Do it 5 times on each side for 1 minute. Air cycling also benefits your pelvic and knee joints. On your back, position yourself so that you are facing the ceiling. Raise your legs to make a 90-degree angle with the floor. Start moving your legs as if you were cycling forward. Bring your legs down slowly and relax for a minute. Start air cycling backward for 1 minute after raising your legs to a 90-degree angle. Repeat the exercise 5 times. Number 4. Longies. An excellent workout for your inner thighs. Doing it 10 times each day can help you lose thigh fat in a week to some extent. Longies help you lose a few extra pounds from your buttocks and thighs. Standing straight, space your feet 3 cm apart. Hold a small weight in each hand. Stay forward with your right leg while bending your left leg into a proposing position. Do the same with your left leg. Repeat it 10 times. Number 5. Scissor kicks. Scissor kicks will tone and work your thighs and gluteal buttock muscles, resulting in smaller thighs. Lie flat on the mat. Put your palms behind your head to support your head. Lift your legs carefully, keeping them completely straight. Separate them vertically, then bring them together and then separate them again. Repeat the process for 15 times. Lastly, number 6. Squat. Do this only after significantly reducing the amount of fat on your thighs. Squat helps build muscles. If you gain muscles without decreasing fat, your thighs may appear larger. Stand with your shoulder relaxed and your legs apart. Your toes should be pointed outward. Keep your upper body straight. Take a deep breath and lower your buttocks gradually until you reach a sitting position. Hold this state for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat 10 times.